Once you have landed on your Google Analytics account that you have created, so you want us to, like, we want to create right now a tracking code that we'll use to connect our website with Google Analytics so that we can see nice reports and visualization. So you go to admin, it's down there, it's selected in blue, and you go to create account. And for the purpose of this, we're just gonna stick to new account, so you can set up your account with any name that you will be recognizing for your website. Then and then click next, and then in the next page it says create a property or property setup. So property setup is just saying, okay, so what are we going to measure? Is it your web data? Is it an app? Is it an iOS application? So let's say analytics. So we want to set analytics, set up analytics, analytics track. Then you set up your state, which is South Africa, or your country. It's going to change the time zone. And you set up your currency, which is ZAR. And from there you click next. It's going to ask you about your business. And then upper you need to select, your business. For the purpose of this exercise, we'll be clicking on computers and electronics. It is a small business, 1 to 10 employees. What's important here is what you're going to be tracking. For the purpose of this exercise, we'll say, okay, we want to track customer engagement, or we want to analyze online sales or increase conversions. Whichever you want to track, and then you create. Then it's going to show terms and conditions. On terms and conditions, you click your country and you click accept. And voila, it's created there. You see the number, the property is created. But now you need to tell us what sort of data you're going to be collecting. Let's say web data. You can select iOS or Android data. Then your website needs to be here for the, okay, let's see. Let's say .0.0 and say website, stream name. You can call it whatever you want. You can call it e-commerce. What do you want to check on your stream name? There's a couple of options here. Page views, scrolls. These things are going to be checked automatically, but for us to move forward, let's say our major is going to be page views, for example, not scrolls, and create a stream. Once you've created that stream, it's going to create a measurement ID. This is the ID that you'll be using. It's easy when you're using, let's say, GoDaddy. This ID you just copy and paste it on your GoDaddy account on your website, right? On the website builder on GoDaddy. If it's Wix or any other website, you will go to view tag instructions, and from there, view tag instructions, if it's Wix, you're gonna click Wix to your website builder. So then what it's gonna do, it's gonna generate a JavaScript that will link your Wix account to Google Analytics, and that's about it. And it's gonna tell you it's gonna take maybe 48 hours for it to track what's happening on your website. Toodles.